Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss some under aromatic acids. Under different acid, what is the structure, what is the functions, applications in the our pharma as well as in food industry. These things we will discuss in today's lecture. Now we will start. After complete watching of this video, student can able to explain the structure and uses of acetic acid and lactic acids. Now look at the screen where you can see the structure of acetic acid. What is the molecular formula for acetic acid? CH3COOH is the molecular formula for the acetic acid. Then you can, in screen you can see the how the angle between different atoms like between carbon and hydrogen, between oxygen and carbon, what are the bond length, these things you can see in this structure, like uh, in the main this COOH is the acidic, that is carboxylic functional group, and CH3 is the methyl group, that is CH3COH acetic acid. Here the angle between this oxygen and that carbon double bond is 120, whereas angle between carbon hydrogen to carbon double bond is 109.5 degree. And then in this OH means angle between hydrogen atom to carbon oxygen atom is 105 degree, and these are the some bond lengths okay, which is mentioned here. You just keep in that mind that CH3COOH is the molecular formula for the acetic acid. Okay, now like Zwittra, here they have shown like one oxygen atom which possesses positive charge, other oxygen atom which possesses negative charge. Okay, this process is continuously happens in the acid Zwittra, like exchanging of that bond or revolving of that bond from negative ion to positive, positive ion to negative. Now let's start the some description about this acetic acid, then what are the uses, general uses as well as medicinal uses. Okay, now here physical properties, we will see the some physical properties. As this parent acid like CH3COOH is reacting with parent base like H2O. When is reacting, it gains the protons from that from acid like H minus. Okay, after accepting one proton from that acid, this H2O becomes H3O plus aqueous, which is called as conjugate acid, and we will get the conjugate base like CH3COO minus. Okay, this process occurs through with water. Now, acetic acid is a colorless liquid organic compound with the chemical formula CH3COOH or CH3CO2H, or we can represent as a C2H4O2. Okay, means like molecular formula. How can we mention molecular formula? We count the that particular structure, number of carbon atom, number of hydrogen atom, number of oxygen atom, like that. Yes, you must be seen in your laboratory how it looks physically, by visually. This acetic acid, it is colorless organic compound. Why it is organic compound? Because it contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms, so it becomes what? Organic compound. Organic compound are those which mainly comprises carbon atom in that structures. Now when undiluted, it is sometimes called as glacial acetic acid. Okay, means whenever mention that we can you must be use glacial acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid is free from water, means they don't have any small percentage of water molecule in that chemicals, means pure acetic acid. Pure form acetic acid is glacial acetic acid. So whenever mentioned like glacial acetic acid, you should use only glacial acetic acid, because in the glacial acetic acid water amount is negligible or nothing. Okay, now vinegar is a roughly 3 to 9% acetic acid by volume, making acetic acid the main component of vinegar apart from water. Vinegar, you must be heard about that, you must be used about that vinegar. Vinegar is a 3 to 9% of acetic acid dilution. Means how to prepare vinegar, like you have to take pure form of like glacial acid, 3 ml of glacial acetic acid, and which diluted into up to 100 ml with water, it becomes 3% of vinegar. Okay, now acetic acid has a distinctive sour taste and pungent smell. How it taste is like sour taste and pungent smell. In addition to household vinegar, means other than household vinegar also prepared like that only in this type of the uses. What is the uses of this acetic acid? Industrial chemical used primarily in the production of cellulose acetate for photographic film, polyvinyl acetate for wood glue and synthetic fiber and fabric. Means this from this we can manufacture or we can produce cellulose acetate for photographic film. Cellulose film cellulose is for after cellulose we can prepare the different papers and wrappers like that. Then polyvinyl acetate for wood glue. Glue means like stick, make it adhesion. For that purpose this polyvinyl acetate can be used, and synthetic fiber and fabrics. This can be used for the synthesis of different synthetic fibers and fabrics. Then the major ester of acetic acid are commonly used as a solvent for inks, paints and coatings. Means you should read like in the paints they have used like this acetic acid as a solvent in the ink and different coating. For that purpose acetic acid is used. Then in our household, diluted acetic acid is often used in descaling agent. In household activities, this type of acetic acid is used as a descaling agent. Okay, now in the food industry, acetic acid is used as a food additive. Means food additive means like excipient for the formation of particular film, for making some additional finishing or something, for preparation or to get some good shape, like that they must be used. Like vinegar it must be used in number of food preparations. So like that this acetic acid is used in the food industry. Now what are the medicinal uses? Other than this is some general uses okay. Other than this, most important for us is medicinal uses. So what is this? What is that medicinal uses? Acetic acid injection into the tumor has been used to treat cancer since 1800 centuries. Means this acetic acid is injected in tumor, cancerous tumor. Means in the whenever a particular localized cancer cell is there or tumor, in that this acetic acid injection is given for treatment or for curing or to vanishes that particular symptoms. For that purpose this acetic acid can be injected in the tumors. Tumors is cancerous cells. while diluted acetic acid is used in iontophoresis. Iontophoresis means this term you must be studied, or you may be studied in next in future. Iontophoresis is nothing but like in the analytical chemistry, analysis, for analysis, different chromatographic technique like analysis, different analysis, in that like viscosity measure, or different, it is analytical technique, analytic chemistry technique. So in that iontophoresis technique, this acetic acid is used. Then as a treatment for otitis externa. Otitis externa means, otitis means, this is otitis. Itis means inflammation. Inflammation to the ear. Otitis means for this in ear infection or something else, something that ear related infection. In that this acetic acid is used for the treatment purpose. Then it is an effective antiseptic when used as a 1% solution with broad spectrum for activity against streptococci, staphylococci, pseudomonas, enterococci, etc. Means this some pathogens, streptococci, staphylococci, pseudomonas, enterococci, for to kill them, or to kill them, 1% of this solution is act as an antiseptic, or for this to killing such a type of microorganism. Okay, means in combination with drug, this 1% solution, acetic acid solution, can be used. Okay, this is medicinal uses. Then next component or next compound is structure and uses of lactic acids. Okay, what, how it looks, what is the structure for this lactic acid? You just look at this screen. In the screen you can see the lactic acid. Lactic acid means which contain acidic functional group as well as alcoholic functional group. Okay, means COOH and OH. Okay, CH3 CHOH COOH is the molecular formula this lactic acid. In its solid state, we will see the some physical properties. In its solid state, it is a white and water soluble. In its liquid state, it is a colorless. Means if this particular compound lactic acid, when it is solid, then it is white and water soluble property. If it is liquid instead, it is a colorless. In liquid state, it stain as a colorless, or it don't have any color, so it is colorless. It is colorless. It is produced both naturally and synthetically. Means lactic acid, this can produce naturally from where, which source? Lactic acid mostly from milk and that curd. From that lactic acid we can obtain as a naturally, and synthetically we can produce this lactic acid with a hydroxyl group adjacent to the carboxylic group. Lactic acid is classified as an alpha hydroxy acid. What is the name of this lactic acid? It is alpha hydroxy acid. In the form of its conjugate base called as lactate, it play a role in several biochemical processes. Okay, means it is used in number of biochemical processes. Biochemical process, yeah, and that process must involve in living organism. Okay, next, what is the uses in pharmaceutical and cosmetics, where it is used? Okay, so first uses for the pharmaceutical and cosmetic uses. Lactic acid is also employed in pharmaceutical technology to produce water soluble lactose from otherwise insolubly active ingredient. Means for pharmaceutical technology means production of different compounds. Okay, active ingredient. Active ingredient is nothing but your API, active pharmaceutical ingredients. They have the key role in your formulation. Okay, it is used in topical preparations and cosmetics to adjacent acidity for its disinfectant and keratolytic properties. Okay, What is the uses? It is can be used as a topical. Topical means topical, it is external applied. Most of that formulation it is used in the cosmetics, used for adjusting the acidity for that particular formulation. To adjust the acidity of formulation, this lactic acid can be used. Then also it has also disinfectant. I said I told you number of lectures what is the antiseptic, what are the disinfectant. You must be knowing the disinfectant terminology, what it mean. It has keratolytic properties. Keratolytic properties like to break down lytic means breakdown of keratin like hairs and all. Okay, now it is also used as a buffer. It means this lactic acid can be used as a buffer. Then in food uses, what is the in pharmaceutical and cosmetical uses we have seen. Then what is the next? In food uses, lactic acid can be used in meat, poultry, fish in the form of sodium or potassium lactate to extend shelf life, control pathogenic bacteria. Means this their salt form of lactic acid like potassium salt of lactic acid, sodium salt of lactic acid. This is used in number of food like meat, in the meat, poultry, fish, for increasing their shelf life. Shelf life means nothing but means some food which is good or which is safe for 2 to 4 days. If we are using this particular salt with their shelf life means their hygienic food can be extend for longer period of time, like for week, 1 week and all. So shelf life means like our drug has a expiry date like which is similar to shelf life. Means for that particular period they are good to or they are safe to use. After that period they must be having some adverse or side effect like that. This is shelf life means for increasing shelf life of this such a type of foods like poultry, meat and fishery. In that this salt form of lactic acid can be used. Now what is the next? Because of its mild taste, lactic acid is used as an acidifier regulator in beverages such as soft drinks and fruit juices. Means in fruit juices, soft drinks, this lactic acid used as a acidifier to acidify that particular medium. Then lactic acid is effective in preventing the spoilage of olives, then gherkins, pearls, onion and other vegetables preserved in brine. In brine means brine is the type of some drink, alcohol and all that. So such type of drinks, olives, gherkins, pearls, onion, uh, such such things are easily spoil. So avoid that degradation or spoil, it is used with them. Then lactic acid may be also used as a preservative in salads, dressings, resulting in produce with a milder flavor while maintaining microbial stability and safety. Okay, it can be used as a preservative for salads and dressings. Okay, also it produces some milder flavor for uh, using this acetic acid. Then detergent. It is a good discolor, soap scum remover and a registered antibacterial agent. Detergent. It can be act as a detergent. Good discolor means some spotting, um, some things can be vanished or can be removed through this lactic acid. It can be act as an antibacterial agent. Antibacterial agent means it act against the bacteria. Then in mosquito larvae, against mosquito it can be used. So it can attract mosquitoes towards itself and they can kill. This particular lactic acid is used in Lurex brand mosquito attractant. In which brand? Lurex brand mosquito attractant. Okay, this is the all about what acetic acid and lactic acid. That what means structure and uses of this acetic acid and lactic acid.